Hello my people, you are welcome back again. Today I want to show you how you can wash the back of your pot or pan very clean. You can see how dirty it's looking. We are going to wash it now. Very easy and very simple. These are the things you need: lemon, vinegar, baking soda, pour baking soda, add vinegar, add lemon, allow it for a few minutes, then you scrub. Add more baking soda. Let's wash it out. Let's see how it looks. You can see how it looks. If you wash it more longer, you will see a better result. My people, we are done. You can see how it's looking. It looks very nice. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. Please support me by subscribing. Bye. See you in the next video.